Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to continue with a couple more, another one of our WH words, and that one is why. So why is one of those great questions to ask, but answering is not always that easy, so it's part of the reason why I put this off for a little while. But the word why is really easy for us to get in Korean because it is we, right? It's just this word, we, right? So we is very easy because it's not that far away from why, right? So we can use just we, right? In very, very informal situations, we could use just question tone, we, or we can step it up a little bit, 왜요? And so why is this? So a little more formal, right? So 왜요, right? And we could also ask specifically in this way. Why did you do something in this way, right? So 이렇게 그렇게, right? We have before, right? 이렇게 그렇게, that way. 그렇게 that way. So 왜 그렇게 했어요? Why did you do it that way, right? So 왜 그렇게 했어요, right? I learned this word really early, but I couldn't understand a lot of the answers for when I would ask that. So where, right? But it is really easy to remember, and you will hear it a lot, right? So I hope that you can throw that into some quick conversation right away. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Then you get notifications for when new videos are released. Also, give me a thumbs up. It helps other people to find these videos too, all right? So check out the links in the description below to learnkoreanfast.com. There are a couple of free resources and other resources that are there. And there are links in the description below to my books at Amazon for learning Korean, and buying those books really helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. It helps me to have more time for making more of these videos for you, all right? 다음에 뵙시다.